What is it? All right, so we're out here, mowed the lawn here. And when I was mowing, come up on this. Asparagus. 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 Which is pretty cool, man. Pretty daggone cool that this is coming up. When I was a kid, there was a bunch of this down here. And I don't know if it just died out over time or somebody mowed it over or whatever, but we definitely got asparagus going. I know it's nothing too crazy, but I'll take it, you know? And I guess I'm going to look around. I guess I should look around down here a little bit more and see if there's more, but oh, yeah, there's one right there. See, I was just talking. Almost hit that one with the mower. Right there's where I mowed it. Right there's asparagus. Yeah. You looking for, oh, asparagus. Asparagus. Do you like it? You can have that one. Not too much. Thinking about it. This dog's something else, but yeah, man. Freaking asparagus. Grow your own food. There you go.